How to add a collaborator in Shopify. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you add a collaborator in Shopify using your mobile in easiest and simplest method. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Shopify with your account. Alright, so after you open the Shopify app with your account, you will got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on three dots just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so from here you'll have to go to the option settings, and now from the settings section in the source field you'll have to type for user, and now after you type user in the source field you'll be able to find the options like users and permissions. So simply from there you'll have to go to that option. Alright, so right now I have not subscribed with my store on Shopify. So if you have subscribed your store on Shopify, you can be easily get options like add a collaborator. So you have to go that option, or you can also go the options like add user. So simply tap on it. Alright, so from this section you'll have to add the user with their email address. So from this section email you'll have to type their email address, and on the role section you'll have to assign the role for the user. So from here you can give the access like administrator, online store, editor, customer support, marketer, merchandise. So you can go with the option, or you can create a new role. So after you give the role, from here you'll have to just go with the options like two-factor authentication is required or not. So if you want to require it, you'll have to just tap on the option two-factor authentication is required, or you can also go with the option two-step authentication is not required. So after you done this, you'll have to just send the link on that email of that collaborator. So after they open that link, they can be easily join the collaboration on your Shopify. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video.